Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you withdraw from Payoneer to PayPal. So let's get into the video. So open up your Payoneer account. So log into your account. So as you can see on your Payoneer, there is no direct methods available for you to directly send it to a PayPal account. So what we can do is like the workaround we can do since there is no direct methods. What we can do is we can firstly send it to our local bank account. So once we send the funds to our local bank account that is linked to our PayPal, then from through the bank account we can transfer the money further to our PayPal. So that's the process we have at the moment. So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to like transfer to your local bank account. So if you click on withdraw or transfer, click on withdraw to bank account, and then just select the amount, and then select your bank account. So you're withdrawing it to your bank account. So plug in the amount that you want to withdraw in the currency, and then click on and proceed with the transaction. I'm not going to really do it because I don't really want to do it to make any transactions, but just for demo purpose I'm just showing this. All right, okay, so complete that transaction. So your funds will be withdrawn to your local bank account. So once you have received the funds on your local bank account, what are you going to do? Go to your PayPal. So log into your PayPal here. So log into your PayPal here. So what you're going to do now here is you're going to add money to your PayPal. So go to your wallet. All right, so you're going to let's say I just transferred like $10 from my Payoneer to my local bank account, and I want that $10 to be in my PayPal now. So just click on it, click on your wallet. Then what are you going to do? You're going to click on transfer money, and then click on add money. So I'm going to add this $10 that from my Payoneer account that is currently sitting in my local bank account. So I will choose my bank account, the same bank account that I just made the transfer to from Payoneer. I'm going to select that and then click on next, and then proceed with, and then select the amount, which is like $10, for example. So I'll just select that, and then I'm going to proceed with the transaction. So by doing so, what will happen is I'm transferring the funds which was initially from on my Pioneer account and now right to my PayPal account. So this is how we can make withdrawal from your Pioneer to PayPal account, as there is no direct methods to do that. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.